should you salary sacrifice? Now, at the end of the day, this is a financial decision. It really comes down to you, but I'm going to tell you my opinion. When you salary sacrifice, what you do is you agree with your employer to take less money. That money you forgo gets sent to superannuation. One of the issues of superannuations is it's not accessible to you until you turn 65. And for some of you, this may be a long way away. I am a big fan of using money today for wealth now, and that will fuel our retirement in the future anyway. When you invest in property, if you do it the right way, you can get a depreciation schedule and actually lose money on paper. With this, you can actually write to the ATO and get the ATO to give you more money every week instead of less money every week. Most of our clients get an extra $85 a week in their pay packet per property. What would you rather do? Do a deal where you're getting less money every week and then one day at 65, maybe reap the rewards, or would you rather do a deal where you get more money every week and reap greater rewards because you've got property investments, and properties normally double every 7 or 10 years. So if you want to learn how to get $85 extra in your pay packet instead of the dumb way of actually sacrificing, get less money, type in hashtag wealth call. That way you can book in a time with me or my team for a 15-minute call, and what we'll do is go through and show you the smart way of investing in property and the smart way of getting tax deductions without paying from out of your pocket, but using paper losses.